Welcome back. Today my channel. The Kawasaki Ninja 300 has always been a favorite among motorcycle enthusiasts, blending beginner-friendly performance with the thrill of a sport bike. With the anticipated 2025 model, fans are eager to see what upgrades Kawasaki has brought to this iconic bike. To stay informed and entertained, here are some of the best YouTube channels to follow for insights, reviews, and updates about the new Ninja 300. Moto Madness is a go-to channel for riders who want to experience the thrill of motorcycling vicariously. Known for their engaging ride-along videos, this channel often features the latest bikes, and the 2025 Ninja 300 is no exception. Whether you're looking for test rides, performance breakdowns, or a taste of the bike's real-world handling, this channel delivers. It allows. If you want the most accurate and up-to-date information straight from the source, the official Kawasaki YouTube channel is a must-follow. Here, you'll find product announcements, promotional videos, and detailed overviews of the Ninja 300's specs and features. It's the perfect starting point for anyone researching this model. Focused on motorcycle reviews and comparisons, Reverend Your Engine is known for its detailed and honest assessments. With videos dedicated to dissecting the performance, design, and features of the Ninja 300, this channel is perfect for those looking to make an informed purchasing decision. Their comparison videos with competitors in the same category are especially insightful. Two Wheel Tales is a channel that combines storytelling with a passion for bikes. They often produce in-depth reviews, modification tips, and road trip vlogs. If you're interested in seeing how the Ninja 300 performs on extended rides or with various aftermarket upgrades, this is the channel to watch. With a focus on beginner-friendly content, Bike Enthusiast Daily is ideal for riders new to the Ninja series. Their videos often include step-by-step guides for maintenance, riding tips, and safety advice. The channel also does great beginner-focused reviews, making the 2025 Ninja 300 accessible to first-time riders. Fast Lane Diaries offers a mix of reviews, track tests, and rider insights. Their high-quality visuals and well-explained commentary make it a standout channel. Their upcoming series on the 2025 Ninja 300 promises to dive into its performance enhancements and provide comparisons with older models. Why these channels stand out? These channels combine expertise, passion, and creativity, ensuring you stay entertained and informed about the new Ninja 300. Whether you're considering purchasing the bike or are just a fan of its sleek design and performance, these creators provide everything from hands-on reviews to riding tips. Stay tuned to these channels for the latest on the Kawasaki Ninja 300, 2025, and get ready to enjoy the ride.